Hi, this is Gay from Spiritwalker Crystals, and we're really excited to have had some new ones in, and so I thought I'd share them with you. And this one is a rose quartz and smoky quartz. Look at that clear that smoky quartz point is, and it's got amethyst around the centre here and around the top. And the second one here, we've got rose quartz, again with a clear quartz. All these have got clear quartz spheres on the top, and this is all rose quartz. And here we've got smoky quartz with lapis and chrysocolla. And this one is another smoky quartz one, and this one has got lapis on it and a labradorite there. Sorry, I was looking at others and trying to talk to you at the same time. Do one job at a time, Gaynor. And this one here has got a clear quartz bottom. This one is one of my favourites. And it's got a rose quartz top. And embedded in it here, it's got amethyst and it's got black tourmaline on it as well. And if I turn it over, you can see that there's black tourmaline on the back there. And these are the weights. It's 194 grams in weight. And these are all sold by the weight. And this one here is clear quartz and it's got rainbow moonstone on it. And this one here has got malachite. And then we had some pendants in over here. These are some new chakra pendants that we're trying out. These are on a amethyst and a rose quartz back. So that's the rose quartz. And that's rose quartz. And that one is clear quartz. So we have got an amethyst one as well. And some carnelian here, again with all the chakra stones on. Those are actually lovely, and they come on a thong as well, a piece of cord thong. So all these other ones are just extra ones that we've had in here, which I'm not going to show you today because I'm going to show you. Oh, there you go. So look at these ones. These ones are our spares here, and I've laid them out for you to see. But this is what they look like when they're in the display. Aren't they lovely? So if I zoom in with these ones and tell you what we've either got long ones with one stone, like that. And these are all rosewood wands with gemstones in the top of them. And that's a one stone and a one. And then we've got 3 stone ones. So these are the same size, but they've got 3 stones in them. So they've got a long rosewood, if I hold that up, a long rosewood stem there, and the clear quartz on the top there. And if I just pop that back, so then we've got some smaller ones again with 3 stones at the top and 1 stone. So if I pick a smaller one up, you can see the difference in still quite a good length, but it is smaller than the very long ones. And then we've got some diddy ones. So these are quite small ones. These are good travelling ones. And again, 3 stone or 1 stone. And we've got the twisty ones back as well. These are really great for smoothing down the aura. And again, 3 stone or 1 stone. And also we've had the little teeny weeny ones in. And these are great for stitching the aura or for actually massaging. So you could use that point to put it into the skin and massage around. These are really good for horses as well, and other animals. They actually love being smoothed with the oval kind of bobbly bit on the end of clear quartz. So there we have it. These are the wands. We are going to be running a half-day wand workshop in the not too distant future. So if you'd like to know more about that, please get in touch with us. And we'll be going through all the different types of wands that you can get and actually how to use them, because a lot of people buy a wand and they're not quite sure what to do with it. So we are going to run a workshop on how to use your wand. So if you want to know more about any of these things that you've seen today or about the wand workshop that we're going to be running, please get in touch with us at spiritwalkercrystalshop.co.uk. Thank you.